Looking for a broker with global reach, flexible trading conditions, and powerful platforms? In this video, we are going to be having a look at PrimeXBT, a powerful trading platform known for its wide range of markets, advanced tools, and unique copy trading features. So stick around to find out why PrimeXBT could be the broker for you. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. PrimeXBT is a multi-asset trading platform that offers access to a wide range of global markets, all from a single account. Launched in 2018 and headquartered in Seychelles, PrimeXBT has quickly gained popularity for its advanced features like leverage, customizable trading dashboards, and innovative tools like Covesting, a copy trading module that lets users follow and mirror the strategies of top-performing traders. With a focus on speed, security, and low trading fees, PrimeXBT caters to both beginner and professional traders looking for a seamless and flexible trading experience. One of PrimeXBT's standout features is its high leverage options. Traders can access up to 1,000 times leverage on major Forex pairs and up to 200 times on leading cryptocurrencies, a rare offering in today's trading landscape. This opens the door for more aggressive strategies and flexible position sizing, especially for experienced traders looking to maximize opportunities in fast-moving markets. Additionally, security, speed, and low fees are essential to PrimeXBT's value proposition. With bank-grade security protocols, ultra-fast order execution, and competitive trading fees, it is built to support both novice traders and professionals alike. The broker offers a wide range of trading instruments, giving users access to over 100 CFD markets across multiple asset classes, all from a single account. Traders can explore major, minor, and exotic Forex pairs, popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, global stock indices including the S&P 500, NASDAQ, FTSE 100, and DAX, as well as commodities like gold, silver, oil, and natural gas. The platform has also expanded its offerings to include individual share CFDs on companies like Meta, Tesla, Google, and Coinbase, with tight spreads starting from 0.1 pips, zero trading fees on CFDs for indices, commodities, and Forex, as well as high leverage options. PrimeXBT provides a flexible and powerful trading environment suited for both beginners and experienced traders. PrimeXBT operates under a robust, multi-jurisdictional regulatory framework designed to ensure compliance and client protection. The platform is licensed in Seychelles, Mauritius, El Salvador, and in South Africa. PrimeXBT is an FSCA authorized financial services provider, and as of May 29, 2025, has expanded this license to include regulated crypto asset services, offering enhanced trust and transparency for clients in the region. To further solidify its compliance posture, PrimeXBT enforces rigorous Know Your Customer and anti-money laundering procedures, as well as utilizes advanced blockchain analysis for risk assessment, and holds user funds in segregated and institutionally secure accounts, including cold storage for crypto assets. However, it does not hold licenses from EU or UK regulators, and users in those regions should note that PrimeXBT is not covered by their investor compensation scheme. Additionally, services may be restricted in jurisdictions like the US, Canada, Japan, and others, in compliance with international regulatory standards. The broker offers a variety of bonuses and promotions designed to reward both new and active traders. Through the platform's reward center, users can complete simple tasks like managing a deposit or placing trades to unlock up to $3,000 in bonuses. New users can also take advantage of generous welcome bonuses, earning up to $500 by registering, verifying their account, and depositing at least $300, and trading within the first 48 hours. For those who enjoy a challenge, PrimeXBT hosts weekly trading contests using virtual funds, giving participants a chance to win real cash prizes without risking their own capital. The platform also runs a referral program, allowing users to earn up to 20% commission by inviting friends to join. Seasonal promotions and limited time offers such as deposit boosts and promotion codes are also available throughout the year. While these bonuses can be valuable, It's important that traders read the terms and conditions carefully, as certain promotions may come with withdrawal restrictions or trading volume requirements. The broker provides traders with a versatile suite of platforms tailored to different styles and experience levels. Its proprietary web trader, accessible directly in any browser, features a fully customizable interface with movable chart windows, advanced trading view-based charting tools, and no downloads required. For those who prefer a traditional setup, PrimeXBT offers full MetaTrader 5 support, available as a web, desktop, or mobile application, boasting powerful features like lightning-fast execution, tight spreads from 0.1 pips up to 1,000 times leverage, deep liquidity, expert advisors, and over 38 indicators and 44 charting tools. The PrimeXBT mobile application for Android and iOS delivers professional-grade trading on the go, with robust charting, precise trade execution, and access to all 100 markets. Whether you prefer web, desktop, or mobile, the broker makes it easy to trade a broad range of CFDs, crypto futures, Forex, indices, and commodities, all from a single integrated account. Additionally, the broker also supports copy trading, and this feature allows both beginners and experienced traders to replicate the strategies of top-performing traders automatically. With over 1 million users worldwide, the platform offers a diverse range of strategies to follow, covering various assets like cryptocurrencies, Forex, and commodities. Users can browse through a leaderboard of strategy providers, each displaying key metrics such as total profit, risk levels, and number of followers, ensuring transparency and informed decision-making. For those interested in sharing their trading expertise, becoming a strategy provider can be lucrative by attracting followers and maintaining a successful track record. Providers can earn a commission from profits generated by their followers. Whether you're new to trading or looking to diversify your investment approach, PrimeXBT's copy trading provides a user-friendly and efficient way to engage with the markets. The broker offers a straightforward and flexible account structure designed to meet the needs of both beginners and experienced traders. Instead of multiple account tiers, PrimeXBT provides a single, standard account that gives access to a wide range of markets. Traders can start with a low minimum deposit and benefit from competitive spreads and high leverage. The platform supports trading through its proprietary web and mobile applications, as well as the popular MetaTrader 5 platform. For those just starting out or wanting to test strategies, the broker also offers a demo account with virtual funds, allowing users to practice trading in a risk-free environment before moving on to live trading. With 24/7 customer support and educational resources, the account setup is designed to help traders build confidence and grow their skills. Creating an account with PrimeXBT is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, what you'll want to do is head over to their homepage, and on their homepage, simply click on the Sign Up button. Next, what you'll want to do is create your account. Fill out and submit your personal information, and after which you will be redirected to the PrimeXBT client portal. Within their client portal, you can create live or demo accounts, contact support, view rewards, and much more. The next step, if you are creating a live account, would be to verify and submit all your personal information to open a live account. Or if you are opening a demo account, simply open a demo account. The next step would be to choose and download your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 5 web trader. Simply log in with their web trader or download and install your preferred trading platform. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 5 web trader with PrimeXBT. At the top right of the dashboard, you have your market watch. You can easily switch between all of PrimeXBT's available market instruments directly from this panel. In the center of the dashboard, you have your trading chart. And on the left and top of the chart, a variety of drawing tools, indicators, and chart types that you can use to customize your dashboard according to your preferences. Also included in their MetaTrader 5 web trader is a nice and simple buy and sell order window. If you are new to trading and are new to any of their trading platforms, You can find a wide variety of helpful educational content online, or over on PrimeXBT's educational section to help you understand the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. PrimeXBT offers streamlined deposit and withdrawal options for both crypto and fiat currencies. Deposits are processed from the client's portal and credited once the account is verified. Fiat withdrawals, whether via bank transfer, credit card, or e-wallets, are typically processed within 1 business day. Bank transfers may arrive within 3 to 5 working days, while card withdrawals can take up to 10 working days. Crypto withdrawals are usually completed within a day, depending on blockchain confirmation times. To ensure security and compliance, all withdrawals can only be sent back to the original source of the deposit, and first-time crypto withdrawals may require address whitelisting. Users must also be fully verified before withdrawals are approved. PrimeXBT processes withdrawal requests daily, ensuring fast handling, typically within 24 hours, while actual fund arrival depends on the chosen method. The platform also recently introduced 0% withdrawal fees for selected methods, reinforcing its focus on cost-effective trading. PrimeXBT offers a comprehensive suite of educational tools designed to cater to traders of all levels. Their educational hub provides a wealth of resources, including detailed articles, tutorials, and market analysis, to help traders enhance their skills and knowledge. These materials cover a wide range of topics, from basic trading concepts to advanced strategies, ensuring that traders have access to the information they need to make informed decisions. Additionally, the broker hosts regular webinars and live trading sessions, offering real-time insights and practical demonstrations to further support traders in their trading journey. Whether you're a beginner looking to understand the fundamentals or an experienced trader seeking to refine your strategies, their educational resources are designed to empower you to trade with confidence. Additionally, the broker provides traders with timely and insightful market news and analysis across various asset classes. Their dedicated market news section offers updates on significant events and trends, such as Bitcoin's price movements and economic data releases. For more in-depth insights, the Market Research Hub features expert commentary and technical analysis, helping traders plan their strategies effectively. Additionally, PrimeXBT's economic calendar keeps traders informed about upcoming events that could impact the markets. These resources are designed to assist traders in making informed decisions and staying ahead of market developments. Over the years of operation, PrimeXBT has garnered numerous prestigious awards, underscoring its commitment to delivering exceptional trading experiences across the globe. In 2025, the platform was honored with the title of Best Crypto Trading Platform by the Global Crypto Awards, highlighting its innovative approach to cryptocurrency trading. Additionally, PrimeXBT received accolades from International Business Magazine, including the Most Trusted Online Broker and Best Trading Experience in South Africa for the same year. These recognitions reflect PrimeXBT's dedication to providing traders with cutting-edge tools, a diverse range of markets, and a user-friendly interface. The platform's consistent innovation and commitment to excellence has solidified its reputation as a leading choice for traders worldwide. Overall, PrimeXBT has established itself as a leading and comprehensive trading platform that caters to a diverse range of traders, from beginners just starting their journey to seasoned pros seeking advanced tools and features. With an extensive selection of trading instruments, the broker provides users with broad market access, all within one integrated platform. The platform's cutting-edge technology, showcased through its proprietary WebTrader and the popular MetaTrader 5 platform, offers a seamless and highly customizable trading experience. Additionally, their innovative copy trading system allows traders to automatically replicate the strategies of top performers, making it easier for less experienced users to participate confidently in the markets. The broker's commitment to regulatory compliance across multiple respected jurisdictions instills trust and security, ensuring that traders' funds and data are protected. Competitive fees, attractive leverage options, and a variety of account features provide flexibility for traders with different styles and risk appetites. Furthermore, the platform's range of bonuses, referral incentives, and engaging trading contests add value and encourage active participation. Education is a focus at PrimeXBT, with a comprehensive suite of learning materials, webinars, and regular market analysis designed to empower traders to make informed decisions. Their up-to-date news and economic calendar further supports traders in staying ahead of market developments. The numerous industry awards and recognitions PrimeXDB has received underscores its dedication to quality service, innovation, and customer satisfaction. The broker offers a secure, versatile, and well-supported environment for anyone looking to grow their trading skills and opportunities. So for traders seeking a reliable and dynamic platform with powerful features, extensive market access, and strong educational support, PrimeXBT stands out as a top choice worth exploring. And that is our overview of PrimeXBT. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Seychelles now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.